Welcome back to Kerney-cation. We're here in the park today. You excited, honey?
So excited.
Say hi.
Hi.
Thanks for watching. We've had a lot of videos recently of us at Kalahari and camping, so we had to come back to our old hometown favorite, Cedar Point. So we have a couple of plans today. We're going to see Build-A-Bear. We're going to see everything that's kind of new for this month in July since we haven't been here in a while. Hopefully get some milkshakes. Try out the old familiar Mac Shack. Right now we're here waiting for the new Cedar Point Parade, and we're going to see the nighttime show. Thanks for watching, and come along with us on this real family vacation. Here it comes. Woo! You see it, buddy? Here's the new Build-A-Bear. Oh, they got the AC. I like it.
Do you want to look at the Build-A-Bear clothes?
I got Pikachu. All sorts. Oh, they got the Paw Patrol. Oh, are those just for the dogs? The dinosaurs, huh? Gotta get some of the Cedar Point themed stuff.
They also have a t-shirt, buddy.
What?
Do you want to get something for your Boo Bear?
They got Paw Patrol over here, Bubba.
You want to get something for your
That's what my
Boo Bear?
Build-A-Bear needs.
Do you like any of these things, really? Look on for your Boo Bear.
They got Bengal stuff.
Alright, after Build-A-Bear, we headed over to Mac Shack. This is in the front of the park near the Tofts ice cream parlor. Sometimes the line from Mac Shack does go out the door. It's very good, so sometimes it's pretty popular, especially during the peak times for lunch and dinner. As soon as you walk in, you're greeted with this TV monitor kind of showing you how they make the mac and cheese in this giant cheese block ooey gooey goodness, and the Mac Shack flow. So this is how it works when you get in there. So you first see the cashier. Tell them what you want, either the loaded Mac bowl or the plain Mac bowl. I always recommend the loaded Mac bowl because that's what's on the meal plan, and you get a side of chips or coleslaw. They'll give you a card and you'll give it to the person scooping macaroni and cheese, and then you'll go and choose your 2 hot toppings and then your 3 cold toppings, and a dressing as well, or a sauce as they call it. So there's the bag of chips. They have indoor and outdoor seating here at Mac Shack. As soon as you get in past the cashier, it's kind of like a Chipotle style line. They got somebody scooping the mac and cheese, you get your hot toppings, and you see somebody else and you get your cool toppings. So as you can see there, the first pan that they're scooping out of has the noodles in it, and there's actually a pan behind it of just the cheese sauce. You can also ask, say, hey, I want to also a scoop of that liquid cheese, so you can get that in your bowl as well. You choose 2 hot toppings for this list. Crystal really likes the bacon and the pork burnt ends. I usually get the popcorn chicken or chicken tenders, and the one of the vegetarian options, the sauteed mushrooms. And here is a quick look at the cold or chilled toppings. So you can pick 3 from this list, and then also a choice of sauce. I usually pick the cheddar cheese, sour cream, and the crushed Doritos. And this is also where they scoop the coleslaw, if you got a side of coleslaw. And then the weird part about Mac Shack is also they don't have self-serve fountain beverages. You ask the person behind the counter, so they have someone at the very end getting drinks for you. here's our bowls. So they're very big. The portion's actually pretty big here, and we'll go ahead and we reviewed these in the park here.
I got chicken tenders, mushrooms, the crushed Doritos, sour cream, and green onions as mine. And Crystal actually got the same thing. Alright, how's the coleslaw, honey?
Well, it tastes exactly like coleslaw that you buy in a store. So I'll give it like 6 out of 6 Kerneys.
6 out of 10 Kerneys?
6 out of 10 Kerneys, because it's exactly what you think it would be, except they probably could have given me a larger portion.
Yeah, it was weak.
It's like a condiment cup worth of coleslaw, but it's pretty good.
Yeah. You could get like the chips instead, which is better.
Which is probably better because there's more in it, and you can save that for later.
Yeah.
Save coleslaw. Hello.
All right, how's the Mac Shack Mac?
They're pretty good. They put a whole dollop of sour cream, which is completely unnecessary because
People like their sour cream around here.
but it's good. Mushrooms are good. Cheese is good.
How many Kerneys?
I'd give this 6 out of 10 Kerneys also.
Whoa!
Probably 4 out of 10.
4 for the Mac
I
Shack?
don't know. Last time it was really good.
Oh, well, you got different meat. You got the chicken and the mushrooms this time. So.
I'm gonna go right in the middle. I don't.
5 out of 10?
5 out of 10. I don't like the chicken tenders as much as I liked whatever I got last time, but it's still pretty good.
You got like
Mushrooms are good.
the pork last time.
Yeah. This is a high stress Kerney-cation situation. Crabby kids and food reviews.
I didn't.
I'm ready.
Well, I love Mac Shack. Mine was good. I got chicken, mushroom, the crushed Doritos, green onions, and sour cream. Yeah, you were right. A lot of sour cream. I took some off. Not the end of the world, but 10 out of 10. It's so good. Best restaurant in Cedar Point.
I don't know.
Down. What's better? I mean, Farmhouse is good. Hugo's is good. Back BQ is good.
I will say-
this is like the best lunch.
Oh, for sure. I think you get the best bang for your buck out of this. I mean, it's a huge portion.
After a filling meal at the Mac Shack, we actually headed over to the Midway for the new parade that they're doing in the summer here. It actually starts at 7 p.m., so enjoy.
Whoa, look at that, buddy. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Whoa, look at him dance. Say hi, buddy. Whoa, look how tall he is! Whoa! Whoa! Breakers! Whoa! Say hi, buddy. Wave. Say hi. How tall they are. Woo! There's the Gemini.
Is your hot dog good? It looks good.
Whoa. Hi, buddy. All right, it's the cookies and cream crazy shake.
Yeah, we're open. We got the rest of the day here.
The milkshake is delicious, but my children salivaed all over the paper straw. That's what the face was for.
How many Kerneys you gonna give it?
10 out of 10.
It's just like the one from Wild Frontier Nights, right?
It is just like the, I mean the...
But that looks different,
yeah,
that fudge
the,
thing.
The like stuff on top is a little bit different, but the milkshake's delicious. I didn't try this cookie, but I imagine it's just like the other one.
Gonna take a chomp? Tastes like a cookie?
Yeah. It just tastes like a generic Oreo,
Yeah.
but not as good. Like, I probably wouldn't eat it if I wasn't doing it for this video right now. I haven't tried the brownies yet, but this is like a Hershey's name brand has it on there. Milk chocolate bar.
Alright, you can give the kids some before they have an aneurysm. How's the fudge?
It's all very messy. But the fudge is delicious. I give that a 10 out of 10 too. It's moist. I know, whatever.
Don't
But
say
it's-
moist.
It's moist. It's like melty, and it's like double chocolate almost. So like a chocolate frosting and chocolate. It's good. I like it.
Good. Yeah, just like the one at Wild Frontier Nights, it's really good. I give it a 9 out of 10. I don't think I can
9?
It's no max yet. No, it's
Come
good.
on now.
Alright, a 10. I give it a 10. Good. There's like chocolate in it. Good.
High stress family fun. Lots of meltdowns today. Making critiquing very hard because kids come first. They'll fill them up with candy.
I'm ready to run a mile. That's good.
Did we say the skate?
Good.
And let's play the guess game.
Alright, after that awesome milkshake from Tofts, we headed over to the nighttime show, which starts at 9:30 p.m. nightly and runs for about a half hour. So enjoy the highlights here.
Welcome everyone to the Celebrate Cedar Point Spectacular. If you're looking for a good time, this is where the fun is happening.
Welcome to the biggest party in the greatest amusement park on earth. It's all we keep playing year after year, all after year.
Another adventure waiting there for us. Like knock it over.
Cedar Point is the only place for us to get back outside.
get to the absolute best part of Cedar Point.
And what exactly is the best part of Cedar Point?
The coaster!
Alright, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps out the channel if you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to comment and subscribe. It really helps out the channel in a big way. Keep an eye out for our next videos. We are having another camping adventure coming up and some Cedar Point nights. It's an event at Cedar Point coming up for the next 3 weeks as well. We'll be there. And we'll have some footage. So don't forget to hit that bell notification to get notified when our next video drops. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this real family vacation.